Chin said. Me too. Me three. Hello everyone on the news. Hello everyone on the news. It's going to be a thunderstorm. And it's going to be a thunderstorm. And it's not going to be a thunderstorm tomorrow. So make sure you and your family are safe and sound. I don't think so. Hold on guys, I need to charge the iPad. Forgot to charge it. People are getting, you have to go somewhere when the house, you gotta pack your stuff, everything, and go to your basement or something and get the basement ready. Okay, if we need this, we are going to get the base. I'm going to get the basement ready. Guys, let me get a bag. I forgot. I just realized to do this video. I just wanted to start it quick. Every time, if you want to draw, you can, okay? Okay, Dad. I'm going to pack whatever I need, like my computer. I'm packing my iPad because I really need it. I need my microphone to practice singing. Of course, we need a light because the power would go out. So, yeah. Make sure you won't forget to light it. Ready? I got it. Baby, I got it. Okay, Mom. Okay, we're gonna put the light in there. And then put the light somewhere. Did our power go out? I think so. And it's getting dark and it's still raining. Hello everybody, it's actually what we heard is hurricane season. Hurricane season? Oh no, we definitely need to go downstairs. Okay. Get everything. Actually guys, get everything. Get everything that y'all need. For real, I'm gonna cook. Pack some cucumbers, pack some drinks, pack some everything. Okay, I will. I pack some noodles. I pack this. I pack some snacks. I'm gonna get like I'm gonna get the mini fridge. Oh my god, this is bad. Like, why does it have to be a thunderstorm? Sweet. When Toca Boca was just like came over here, it was okay when we did the video. Because the rain really likes her. And then it didn't. Don't say that. We need all the snacks. All the snacks and the food. And we all need to share. And just in case the power. Let me turn off the thing. The power went out. Don't sleep. It's still raining. Oh yeah, that went out. I packed everything. I'm gonna put our noodles in there and our snacks. I'm just gonna eat it for now. It's hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good thing I got that. So I can make us keep some hope. Oh my god, our power just went out, bro. I'm about to throw a freaking fit because our now TVs are Jackson, turn off. Okay, everything is not on. Everything is off. Everything is off. I'm turning off my phone. Delilah, I backed your iPad already, so make sure you got everything that you need. I do. Okay, great. We're gonna pack some more snacks because maybe we will be there for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. I don't know how long the rain is, but I'm not gonna be okay. So we need a whole little tiny kitchen down there. Of course we do. I hope it's very safe. And we're going to use this for a light because this is only chargeable, that it bees off all the time. I got us an iPad pencil. We are not safe. We are going into shelter. We're putting box on box. I'm just gonna put, no, you can't put that in there. You can't put that in there. Okay guys, we need to get everything that we need because our powers is already out. Guys, I'm gonna delete the lights so they can think the really power went out. And when y'all come back to my video, y'all gonna see the lights are back. I'm going to get a box cutter. I'm going to give us a drawing book. I'm gonna put it in there. I don't matter. It don't matter. We're in a rush where we put it. Oh my god, we're in a rush. We're gonna make a home down there. We gotta get pillows. We gotta get everything. We gotta get our jelly cats. Okay. Okay, so I was walking to my room. I was with my mom. Oh my god, this is bad. Like our power is out, everything. I'm gonna try to put this on it. Okay, we got a lot, but we need to put it in there. Everything. The TV can be on sometimes. Because it's made out of not battery. Let's see. Let's see what the news says. I want to see the remote works. It does. It does. Oh, because it's made out of charger. Yeah, it is. It is going to be raining. And y'all have to investigate and go now because the rain is going to get harder and harder and harder. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be bad. I really need a nice home to stay in. We need to turn off the TV so the TV light won't turn off. Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should because we need to be safe ASAP. So let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, little sis. Okay, I got our phones. Bro, stop. Stop touching my iPad. Well, it's technically my mom's, so duh. We have to get set on the zero floor. Oh my god, I was just going to miss upstairs, downstairs. I can't even be safe. Ugh. Everything is light now, lights. Wait a minute, I don't think I put like beds in there. I didn't put beds in there, but we got a choice. We already brought our stuff. But I brought something that's hard, just like a bed. Oopsies. I brought something hard that's just like a bed. You bought something that's hard, just like a bed? Yes, I did. Some beds are hard, some beds are not. We got to be comfortable, kids. This light works. So I'm gonna open this and make it work. See what it works. Okay. Looks like it does. It's working. Maybe in the morning it'll turn off because it needs to be on the charger. Oh yeah, that's true. It needs to be on the charger. Of course it does. Okay, let's bring it in here. I'm gonna put it like this, right there. This is my spot, so we're gonna put that right there. We're going to put the snacks here in a box. There, it's great. That's like, what else did we bring? Our jelly cats? Or jelly cats? Okay, this is, she would definitely want to be by me, so here's your jelly cats. There, now we're going to get the rest of the stuff where it's just gonna get bad. Oh my god, Mommy, I'm scared. It's okay, honey bun. It's okay. You're gonna be safe. I am not. This is scary. When we're done getting ready, you guys can go inside. Oh my god, this is very scary, I know. Our play buttons needs to be safe. This needs to be safe. We need a lot of stuff to save before it knocks down our house. Well, it's technically not. Here's her iPad. My laptop. This. There. Bruh. This is what you bought. I know. That's what are my only choice. Oh my god. Okay, so we are going to, we already got the box cutter, so I'm going to put some little pictures that can make us know we're safe and not homeless, because we're going to lose our money. So, yeah, I don't want them to lose their money. If they do, they're going to be very poor, and I'm going to feel bad. And try to build them another great house, like the same one. They got all the stuff that they need, like a candle too. It can light up for them to have some lights. So that's cool. We're going to put a little plant here. Guys, if y'all wondering, am I okay? I am. My nose is hurt so bad. My nose hurts so bad. I can't. Guys, what should I do? Because my nose is hurting badly. Please tell me, what should I do? This is cute. That's cute. Let's lay. Okay, let's lay that queen. If y'all watched the other video that I made, thank y'all for watching that. If y'all did, if y'all didn't, go out and watch it because it's a cool show. Like, I always have to type one that I don't like. The typing part that I don't like though, because I don't like typing that much. So yeah. Okay, bro, stop going outside. They're gonna make Toca Boca always makes me mad, bro. I'm serious. Toca Boca makes me mad. We're not gonna give them a dirty, nasty blanket. No, of course not. Stop it! Stop it! Okay, so you got the iPad for the toddler. Got the phone for the mama. We got the iPad for a teenager. That's it. Okay, what's next? We got a little nether lights. Ooh, there, that lights up better. I'm gonna put it right there in the middle so they can read each other some books. They have another jelly cat for the mom. I got some little markers. Got a little microphone so they can sing. So everybody will have this so they can be comfortable. I'm gonna go back on building. Build mode on Toca Boca. There. Then we're going to do this. There, we are done. So we are done doing the house. Everything is very safe. Yeah. Come on, we're gonna be safe. Don't worry. You start your little grade soon. You have to be brave. Okay, big sis, I will. I think. You think? You have to be strong, brave. You have to be really brave. And you too. If y'all give me a bed, I am not staying upstairs all alone by myself. I didn't know it was a hurricane anyways. Y'all didn't tell me. I thought you looked at TV and you're like, we're just gonna come down here and say, Mommy, 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 it was gonna be a hurricane, ...
Thought you already knew. No, I just realized because I got an alert on my tablet.
Did you bring your tablet down here?
No.
Okay, let's go. Our power already went out. Let's go to get your iPad.
Okay.
Oh my god. Sorry, I forgot upstairs too. I'm not really that funny.
What is the light coming from?
Oh, that? There. This here.
I saw on your TV. I know you did. I was chilling in my room, Mom. You should have let me know.
Everybody's stuff is turned off. This is weird. It's like pitch dark in the house. Guys, what should we do? We should go to a shelter, or we should just stay downstairs for a long time and pretend it's a shelter. Comment down below if y'all think. And make sure you like and subscribe. This is horribly bad. Promise. What's your favorite color? I got it. I got your favorite color. I got it.
Green and white.
There? Okay. Green and white. Okay. Do you wear makeup?
No, where do you see makeup? This is not makeup.
You saw, when you first met me, you saw me with this pretty face. And you said, oh, I fell in love. How did y'all fall in love? So we're going to do a story. We're going to tell you how we did. If y'all wake up. If y'all don't go to sleep so early. So you got to face us.
How about we stay back and then we tell each other?
Okay, let me turn off my phone. Put your phones there. iPads there with you. Oh, there it is. Okay, so
wait until I sit down.
Okay, we are going to be starting to tell you in a minute, I think. Hello, 911, with your emergency, somebody called 911. I did not call 911.
Me either.
Me either. Fine, it was me. I went on your phone and called 911. Because it's a bad hurricane. Y'all can stay in the basement, or y'all can go to another state or be in a shelter. We're in our basement. We're in our basement now, actually. We're in our basement already. We are safe. We got everything that we need. We got everything. When does our power turn back on? Maybe tomorrow morning if you ride around. All right, I will try to in my car. Bye. Okay, guys, how we met. So we were in school, right? We were walking past each other.
and I was talking to my friends. What year? What year? I was in 7th grade. In 1998, we were in school. I was born in 19.
Mom, I'm
I was
scared.
born in
It's just gonna be okay. It's just rain. Oof.
I was born in 2000. No, not 2000s, but the 2000. Oh my God, 2000 and no 1992. Yeah, I was born in 1992. 1998. We had like ice cream. That's when I was 5 years old. No. Okay, I was in 7th grade. I don't know what year was it because I don't remember. So did I just turn off for no reason? Okay, guys, we're going to sleep. We can't spend the night without the light. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Hope you like and share, comment, and make sure you comment down below what should I do if it's a hurricane next time. Bye bye.